Climbing the ordinal ladder, 11th to 20th. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's session, we'll be focusing on ordinal numbers, specifically those between the 11th and 20th. This will be a fun and engaging way to sharpen your English skills. So, let's get started. Ordinal numbers are essential when we want to describe a position or order of something in a list. For the numbers from 11th to 20th, there are some rules to remember. For the numbers 13th to 19th, we end with th, just like 3 becomes 13th, and 4 becomes 14th. However, for 11th and 12th, instead of 1 and 2, we say 11th and 12th. And finally, the 0 in 20 becomes 20th. Remember, practice makes perfect, so let's move on to some exercises. In this section, we'll work through some examples to understand these ordinal numbers better. Example 1. Let's start with an easy one. If Tom was the 15th person to cross the finish line in a race, we say, Tom was the 15th to finish the race. Example 2. Now, let's try another. If your birthday falls on the 12th of June, we say, my birthday is on the 12th of June. Remember, the goal here is to practice, practice, and practice. So let's move on to more activities. To make the learning experience even more engaging, here are some practice activities. Activity 1. Imagine you're telling a story and you're on the 18th page. How do you describe that? Try forming a sentence now. Activity 2. If you live in an apartment building and your apartment is on the 14th floor, how would you describe that? Activity 3. Consider that you're participating in a spelling bee competition and you're the 20th participant. How would you describe your turn? That's it for today's session, folks. I hope you've had as much fun learning as I did teaching. Remember, consistent practice is key when learning ordinal numbers, so do revisit these activities until you're comfortable. Until our next session, keep practicing and stay curious. Happy learning!